Hello everyone and welcome to my next video. Warning, if you're planning a multiplayer game, skip this video. RootMotion does not work in multiplayer mode. Step 1, edit your root animations. Click right, click to Asset Actions and use the Edit selection in Property Matrix. Click Enable Root Motions and save. Next step, go to your blueprint folder and add interface. We name it Get Player Movement. Double click Get Movement, a function, and the output is forward, backward as float and sideward as float. Save, compile, close. Next, go to a person character, select the default from movement input. Okay, use here and remove. We don't need this. Okay, next we go to class defaults. No, sorry, to class settings. We add the interface get player movement. We add two variables, forward, backward, as as float. Okay, add sideward as float. Double click your interface and get these two variables. That's all. Save and go back. Okay, on the IM move, we add here the set forward backward and set sideward. Connect. No, connect. Okay, the forward is here and the sideward is here. We duplicate this and set to 0 if this cancelled or completed. That's all. Then we can just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, compile. I drag this here. Okay, next we have to go characters, mannequin, animations, and we add animation blend space. We use the mannequin blend space root move. Double click. We need this sideward from here to here. 1. Snap to grid. We use the vertical as forward, backward, here and 1. Okay, snap to grid. Now, what's our animations? Here, run back, go to bottom, run front, go to top. You can set here walk, run, sprint, and so on. Go left, go right, and we need the idle, default idle in the center. Okay, you can see this is the work. So save. Next, go to ABP money. We can remove this default should move and use now the character from here and get player movement. This is our interface. We use this. Okay, add the two variables, forward, backward, as float, and add the sideward as float. Okay, we set this, and we set this, and connect. Perfect. Okay, last step, we have to set should move. And should move is only if the forward backward not equal to 0, or the sideward not equal to 0. Okay, use or, no, from here, or bool and connect. And this is for set move, should move, sorry. Save and compile. Last step, go to anim graph, edit your locomotion, go to the walk run, remove the default, remove that ground speed, and use your blend space root move, connect your variables, sideward, okay, compile, save, and now, one step, go to the class settings, no, class defaults, and here on RootMotion mode, you have to set from montage only to everything. Okay, save and compile. Now you can see forward, sideward, backward. This works, but the player does not rotate. Okay, we have to fix this. Go back to the third person character and add here the event tick. Then we set actor rotation, and we get actor rotation and get control rotation. Move this here, this a little bit here. Okay, use here error interp 2 and connect from current to target. Use the delta seconds and set interp speed to 10 and connect here. We can set the new actor rotation. Compile, go back, rotate. Now you can see player rotates. But we had should that's what wrong. Get actor, get control, delta time, set actor rotation. Okay. Sorry. We have break this. We have only set the C jar, not all. Okay. This. Because the control rotation can have a roll and pitch, but not the character. Okay, now we rotate. This works. Okay, that's all. Have fun. Goodbye.